In the last video we washed the bike ready for the next stage. In this video we're going to give it a protective coating. So your bike's clean and it's dry, but there's nothing to protect it. So now we're going to do some protective maintenance. So we're going to start with the chain. I've already done a video on this, so I'm just going to skim over it. But I like to use maintenance spray or drivetrain cleaner and a chain clean brush. Give it a good scrub, make sure it's nice and clean, and then make sure you wipe it dry. Apply a coat of chain lube on the inside of the bottom chain run. A piece of cardboard behind the chain helps to keep the spray off the tyre. Next is the main protective coating. I like to use acf-50, but there is other sprays out there. Put the can in warm water just above room temperature. This aids application and gives it a nice even coating, but do not put it in boiling water, just above room temperature. Once the can's warm, give it a nice shake for a minute or so. Before applying, cover your brakes and your tyres. Also, keep it away from areas such as your grips, your foot pegs and your seat. We also recommend wearing gloves. When applying, we recommend spraying it on first. It's safe on electrical connectors, so coating things like electrical wires, components, things like that is also a good idea. You're aiming to coat metal parts such as the frame, swing arm, forks and yokes. Next is to wipe it with your cloth to get in all the nooks and crannies and give it a nice even coating. Next is to grease all the pivot points on your bike. We like to use HHS-2000, it's a fantastic penetrating spray, but any generic clear spray grease will work just fine. Spray points like the pivot points on your brake lever, your clutch lever, your brake pedal, your centre stand, side stand, gear linkages, swing arm linkages and your rear shock linkages will work really well. Next is the final step, applying polish to the panels and paintwork. Unless it's matte paint, we use AutoGlym high resin polish. Apply a small amount to a polish applicator pad and then apply it evenly on the bike. Just make sure you keep it away from your seat. We usually remove the seat, it just makes it easier to apply. Leave it to stand for at least 5 minutes just so the polish dries off. Then with a good quality microfiber cloth, buff it off. Wipe over it evenly and make sure you get all the polish off. The more time and care you take at this stage, the better the results. So now your bike will be clean and dry and have a good protective coating and should look showroom condition. Follow the link in the description for cleaning and maintenance products and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications.